marketing researchers often turn to data sources that illuminate the demographics, behaviors, and desires of consumers. These data may emerge from analyzing consumer purchasing habits or by surveying consumers directly. Market research might focus on a particular type of consumer good or service, such as fruit and vegetable juices, e-readers, or concerts, or a particular demographic group, such as millennials who are parents or pet owners. This video will introduce some of the market and consumer research data sources available to you as a Champlain College affiliate. The library's Marketing Subject Research Guide is a great place to start for your data needs. Locating the best data for your analysis may require visiting multiple resources to determine which one has the most up-to-date offerings for your topic, or even which resource has the most closely applicable data available at all. Statista is a great place to start since it provides a large number of database materials from a wide variety of channels and sources. Statista offers many types of business information resources, which include industry and company reports, market data sets, forecasts, demographic information, and more. Say we are investigating the market for sports and energy drinks. Beginning our exploration for data is as simple as entering sports and energy drinks into the search field and clicking on the Statista search button. With hundreds of results to choose from in Statista, we will want to take advantage of results filtering by locating the Filters menu. This might be a button called More Filters, adjacent to your search results, or on smaller or mobile screens. It may be an Adjustments icon button. One filter we may want to use is Content Type, as different types of materials in Statista are used for different purposes. Let's start by selecting Topics. We may also want to limit it by geography. Taking a look at the U.S. sports drink topic, we will see an overview of this market with a few key insights, followed by a curated list of key statistical measurements that anyone trying to analyze the sports and energy drink market might use. In this case, we see everything from market share of existing companies, to retail sales data, to consumption share. If we click on this link about brand value, we will see how Statista represents the tables and data points that are also listed standalone amongst their search results. You have likely seen many of these standalone statistics results if you have used Statista before. In this case, Statista provides a visualization depicting absolute brand value in US dollars, along with more information on where these data came from and what is particularly significant about these results. Moving on from Statista, Business Source Ultimate is another convenient source for marketing and consumer research that you can access from the library. Business Source Ultimate is available from the same Marketing Subject Research Guide that we accessed earlier. We are going to search the same topic but use different keywords. In this case, functional drinks. Library databases will sometimes use different words for the same or similar topics. Functional drinks is a slightly broader category than sports and energy drinks, and the most relevant reports available in this database focus on that market. We can often determine the best keywords to use by running multiple searches with different keyword combinations, then refining our terms based on what patterns we notice from our initial results. After running a search for functional drinks, one of our first results is an industry report on functional drinks in the United States. But much like with Statista, if our top results were not so relevant, we can filter them by a variety of facets including date, source type, and geography. This particular industry report was developed by MarketLine and includes an array of current and contextualized data points, tables, and visualizations. Unlike Statista and Business Source Ultimate, which are comprehensive in coverage, MarketResearch.com Academic only provides reports for selected markets. However, the data provided for the markets that are covered is considerable. Sports and energy drinks happens to be one such market, which we will discover as we search for it. Our top result is a Trends and Opportunities report, and we can see by browsing the report's table of contents just how many aspects of this topic are covered. For more help with your research, visit champlain.edu/library. From there, you can contact a member of the library team for research help, or you can find additional tutorials, guides, and videos.